In this video, you will learn how to fix Cashapp won't let me change my Cashtag. First, if you want to resolve this issue, check Cashapp's policies and changing Cashapp. Cashapp only allows users to change their Cashapp once. If you've already changed it in the past, you will not be able to change it ever again. If this is your first time, try changing it. Proceed with these steps below. Ensure your account is verified. You may need to verify your identity in Cashapp to change your Cashtag. Make sure you've completed the verification process. This involves submitting your ID and verifying your phone number. If your account is unverified, you may face restrictions on changing your Cashapp. Check for app updates. An outdated version of Cashapp can cause glitches. Ensure your Cashapp is up to date. For Android, open Google Play Store and search for Cashapp, then tap Update if available. For iPhones, open the Apple App Store and search for Cashapp, then tap Update if available. Restart your Cashapp app. Close Cashapp completely and reopen it. This can sometimes temporarily cause glitches and issues that prevent you from changing your Cashtag. Clear cache. For Android users, clearing the cache can sometimes resolve issues like this. Go to Settings on your device, tap on Apps or Applications, then select Cashapp app from the list. Tap on Storage, then select Clear cache. Ensure the Cashapp you want is available. The Cashtag you want may already be taken by someone else. This can prevent you from selecting it. Try to select a different Cashapp tag. Try a different device. If the issue persists, try logging onto your Cashapp account in a different device, such as phone or tablet or computer, to see this problem if it's specific to your current device. If you have tried all the other options, contact Cashapp support. Open Cashapp and click on the profile icon. Scroll down to support and search for your issue and select Contact Support to get extra help. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.